In a blender with no ice, pour 1½ ounces of gin, a 1/4 ounce of absinthe, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a tablespoon of basil mint syrup, 1 ounce of half and half, and 1 fresh egg white, and blend until nice and frothy. Now pour this into a cocktail shaker filled with ice and shake until chilled. Take this mixture and pour into a tall cocktail glass filled with ice. Top off with club soda. Give it a little stir. Garnish with fresh basil, fresh mint, and a lemon wedge. Add a biodegradable straw and you're ready to enjoy the absinthe-minded Leprechaun Fizz, created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com.